1970 Plymouth. It's got the late model 5.7 liter Hemi V8. And if you didn't know it, you would have thought this was factory installed. They did a beautiful job. AC blows cold, starts right up. Got a nice rumble to it, but not too loud. I don't think your neighbors would be too mad at you. There it is. What a gorgeous car. I'm selling this for my friend. And we're going to do a little walk around video here. Take a look at everything. Of course, we'll follow it up with still pictures. Interior looks like it was just off the showroom floor. Door panels and all those things. It's got a digital dash that I'll light up here for you. Got a nice stereo, AC blows cold. No rust. Story I was told that people back in the East wanted a rust-free car to restore. So they found this one in California. I went out to California, picked it up, and then did their retrofits. It's just every angle. You look at this thing, it's just amazing how nice it is. Look down the body. Body lines are nice and straight. The whole car is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you want to go cruising in style, this would be it. I love that hood. Yeah. And as you would expect, this thing got some get up and go. It's not a small car, but man, does it fly. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in.